letting people in.
Next.
Any seconds now? Oh, finally.
Tail, check. Come on in.
Wow, the coolest party underwater. Ooh. Oh, let's go. It's our turn.
I heard Little Mermaid is DJing.
We are here for the party.
Great, but wait a sec. Are those feet?
Feet?
Fit?
It's a mermaid's only party. See?
What?
What? Let's go.
Wait! Pretty please?
I said mermaids.
It's not fair!
Oh, poor thing. Fine.
Whoa!
A makeover kit?
Huh? Isn't this our lucky day?
Let's see what we've got! Me first! Seashells! Wow! Wow! I'll start with the first one. What's in it?
I must have one too. Whoa! Black seashells. Just the way I like them. Whoa! What's this? What is it for?
They're glitter patches. They make a great tail. What? It gave me a tail. I'm a mermaid. Look!
Wow, I want one too. But my tail is gonna be darker. I want it with a hint of blue, pink, and purple. Check this out. It's like I was born to be a mermaid.
Are you ready to swim? They look lovely.
You said it, girl.
I can't wait to swim in this.
We are gonna make a splash.
Yeah.
Wow. Whoa.
Are you okay? Hey, see that subscribe button?
Why don't you click to see more of our videos? Can I go first this time? I wonder what's in it. Whoa! A washer? For what?
Beats me! Now, what do you have for me? A rack full of small clothes. It's got every style in it. This one's cute, but it's dirty. Ew! I'll go with something else. It's dirty too. Hang on. Hey, Kurami.
What? Fine, take it.
Yay, you're the best.
No, thanks.
Whoops, sorry. This ain't no ordinary laundry. So, I'll wash it with a dash of mermaid dust. Let's take it to a spin. Oh, it's finally done. Nothing like a fresh set of laundry. Fitting time. Wow, it fits like magic.
Hey, I want new clothes too. You better share, kitty.
Oh, I've got something for you. Pick one.
Purple, of course.
Want some of my mermaid dust?
I'll use my own. Thank you very much. My outfit will be dark, just like the ocean. Down the hatch. Now let's turn on this bad boy. Wow, so relaxing. Oh, what's with that washer? Oh, it's done. Look how gorgeous my top is. Wow. Hey, no picking.
Whoops. Wow, you look beautiful. Alright, my turn. Shell number 3. What do you have for me? Is this what I think it is? Giddy makeup! It has everything I need to turn into a mermaid. I don't even know where to start.
How come she gets all the good stuff? Oh, my makeup is gone.
Oh, don't mind me. I'm just trying out a new look. I heard sparkle is trending all over TikTok. That's why I'm gonna go all in with diamonds. That deep sea party is gonna be lit. One last touch for the star of the party.
I wish I had makeup too. Hey, there is more over there. Let's go magnet fishing. I'll just hover the line over the makeup. And voila! I've got a full set. All those years fishing for snacks paid off. What a haul! I'll start with purple eyeshadow. I'll put it all over my eyelid. And blend it up towards the crease. Now I'll add some blush. And some lipstick to complete the look. Just swipe it across for all a light color. And of course, we can't forget some glitter.
Is that glitter? Can I have some?
No.
How about we trade?
For some run-over fishnets? I can make good use of this. I'll wear it all the way up to my elbow. Then put makeup over it.
So, how about a trade? The glitter.
What? Oh, right. Here.
Thanks!
I'll dab makeup on top of the fishnet.
As for me, I'll squeeze some glitter right on my arms. Then, I'll use a brush to spread it all over. I want every spot sparkling. Wow, they look just like scales! Can you believe I was a cat 5 minutes ago? Huh? What happened to my ears? They've turned into girls!
Check out my work. Ever since scales this cool, I made them myself.
Your girls are cool too!
Oh, of course. Only the coolest for me. Now let's see what we have here. A boring old key. What am I supposed to do with this?
Alright, my turn. It's just still water. I can't believe it. Not even a fashion site. Oh, wait! It's a treasure chest. There's something in it, but it's locked.
What? Hey, give me that.
No, it's mine.
I have a key. Hello.
Fine.
Open sesame. Whoa! And it fits me perfectly.
Oh, I wish I had a ring. Oh, look! A message in a bottle. Let's open it. Huh? It looks like some sort of a map.
Give me that.
Hey, found it!
Ouch!
Oh no! Now I don't know where it leads. I must get it back.
I need that other half. Whatever. I don't need it. I'll just follow this line.
What am I gonna do?
Nothing.
Gotcha! Not.
Is it here?
Oh, here? Nuh-uh.
It's here somewhere. Ouch! Watch where you are going.
Hey, wanna combine the maps?
Why not?
Whoa! There it is!
Whoa! Wow! It looks just like the map.
I'll start digging here. I hope I find something good. A starfish ring! Jackpot! It goes so well with my look. But we're not done yet. Let's go big or go home. I bet this map has got something more for me. Maybe under this mountain? I knew it! This pearl necklace really ties the look together. Oh, what's under the volcano? A gorgeous headpiece. Now that's explosive.
She got all that from the map? What does it have for me? A pineapple? Under the sea? This is a joke? And there is a fan in it. I'm surely not fan of this. Whoa! It's like a twister! Oh, it's powerful enough to blow anything away! Treasure! I wonder what it is. It's a headpiece. Now I feel just like a mermaid princess. And no mermaid will be seen without her pearls.
Shall I open the next shell? 1, 2, 3! Huh? It's too dark! I'll shine a light in it. What treasure shall I find down there? Bingo! Pink nail polish! Lucky!
That's exactly what I need.
Let's get down to painting. I'll start with the bottom, then swipe it to the top of the nail. Repeat for all 5 fingers. Then add some decorations. Did you think I was gonna forget about the glitter? This little mermaid is sparkling all over. What do you think?
It's too pink for me. I sure hope I find something darker. Seems like a normal drawing. There you are. Just the shade I wanted. I'll dab nail polish on every finger. Then I'll get right into decorating. Everything I need is in this container. I'll sprinkle the stars right on the wet nail polish.
Nice! Let's open the last shell together.
Wow!
I see you are done with the makeover.
It's you!
Let's show all the looks. So, what do you think?
Let's see. You've got the bedazzled look down. Sparkling from the headpiece all the way down to the tail. Good.
What about me?
Oh, shells. Nice touch. And girl, you are sparkling. And great job on that tail. You are going to the party.
Yay! Wow!
Finally in!
Hey, welcome!
You guys look amazing. Where did you get your hair done? It's about to go down.
I know a great spot over there.
Yeah, we made it!
It's so fun!
My job here is done.
Whew, it's boiling in here. I need a drink.
Oh, here! My new dorm room! And it has my lucky numbers. Let's see. Whoa, what's that?
More like, who's that?
We're roomies!
That's what I was afraid of. Not bad.
Uh-oh, we spoke too soon.
It's a mess. So not up to my standards.
I've seen worse.
Then you clean it.
Fine. Let's start with here. Pff, dust particles? These are more like dust monsters. Guess they didn't have a trash bin in here. Moving this out of the way. Wow, a perfectly usable mattress.
Not so fast. I'll take that.
I saw it first.
I deserve it more.
Whoa,
Oopsie daisy. You!
maybe I don't need a mattress after all. I'm stuck.
Careful or not.
I'm okay. Anyway, you laugh, but I choose to get to work. Being productive feels much better than being belittled. Aha! Just the thing I need. This will be a great bedsheet. And hey, green is my favorite color.
Please.
Time to rest. This is not as comfortable as I imagined. Ooh, that's why.
Ha! Now watch and learn. Phew! I'm done. Easy peasy.
What? No, you're not.
Don't believe me, huh? Honey, my money can buy anything. Even room makeover magic. Told ya!
Oh, I see.
Don't be jealous. Or be jealous. I don't care. Hello? Room service. They'll be here in a second.
You called for me, ma'am?
Show me.
Gladly. How about
Nah, not in my color season.
maybe this?
Ew, are you for real?
Oh, I know.
Haha, me likey.
Mission accomplished. This'll only take a second.
Wow.
Thanks to these, you can wish upon a starfish anytime you go to bed.
Thanks.
Rate my service.
4 stars.
Huh? But why?
Keep talking, and I'll make it 3. I better keep this for myself. Bye.
So spoiled.
He deserved even less.
I realize my bed's missing something. Wow, it's perfect! But we can get rid of this smelly thing.
Hey, watch it! So worried. I can use some fresh water. Let's open my window.
You mean our window?
No!
Oh, but
Let's settle this once and for all.
I'm in.
Rock, paper, scissors!
Rock, paper, scissors.
Keep going! Hey, I'm just smarter! Haha!
Rock, paper, scissors.
Yeah, not yet. Keep going. Yay! So chic.
Scissors! Huh? You tricked me?
Obviously.
This is so unfair.
Ouch.
Wait, I'm feeling inspired. No window for me? Well, I don't accept that. I might not have money, but I have incredible DIY skills. And here's the view. Ah, not this! Yeah, more tropical pirate vibes.
My side needs more luxury. This was worth 5 treasure chests!
Ah! Oh no! How do we fix that?
What do I do? What do I do? Just help me with that!
Whoa! Ah! Why would you do that? Ugh. I guess I'll have to be the one to take care of it.
No! Need the maintenance box! It's here! I picked the fastest delivery! The fanciest weighted rug! It did the trick! Move!
Ooh, I have an idea. Let's cut it from here carefully. Yep, more cutting. Now we have 2 pieces. I know you don't see my vision yet, but just wait. Trust the creative process. Don't need these. That's right. I made more of these. She won't be the only one with a rug. Time to paint. Need to make sure the color is evenly applied. And here it is.
Okay, I admit it looks cool.
Never thought I'd hear you say that.
Take the win! TV time!
Breaking news.
What happened?
Things are getting worse.
Oh no!
What is it?
We need to act.
I'm scared.
And you scared me! Huh? What's happening? I'm too young for this!
I'm afraid of the dark.
Then say it with me! Lumos!
Phew. Hey,
Haha! It wasn't me!
you're lying. Huh? Look, it's them. Ugh. You really shouldn't laugh about this. I can teach them a thing or two about recycling. These cans don't belong in the ocean anyway. At least as trash. Ta-da! This will definitely make my side of the room cozier.
Ha! How dare you quit on me! It's one of a kind! And it's mine!
Yay! The power is back.
I can't hold this forever! Where do I… I know. Hold this for me, would you? Uncle Poseidon's trident should do the trick. Sorry, pirates. Get yourself a new treasure chest. This was cursed for humans anyway. Let's see what we'll find in here. This is okay. What else? Ah! Whoa, heavy. I can actually work with this. Gimme. Aw, gold on gold just makes sense.
I need a bedside table too. Well, guess the bed will be just fine without this. I hope my mermaid tail is just the right size and shape. Hope I don't accidentally cut the floor. Slow and steady. No need to rush this part. Yay! It's done!
Wow, impressive.
We did it! We really transformed the room!
Yeah, it really feels like home now.
High five!
Got it.
Laboobas? We're rewarded.